friends, this is a project to do with your family, for your family. You need this piece of paper, glue stick, scissors, and I'm going to send you some tissue paper. It says, I love you to pieces, Valentine's 2021. So you're going to use your scissors, thumb in the thumb hole, all your fingers down below. You're going to point to the ceiling, and you can either cut your tissue paper into squares, practice your cutting, and then you can glue them on here using your glue stick. And press, 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 press so that it sticks. You can have them like this. You can crumple them up and glue them on. Your choice. But remember, you're going to have to press, press, press. So have fun with it. Fill it up as much as you like. Bye, friends.